Welcome back to AppGeeker. Over the next few minutes, I'll show you how to recover deleted messages without backup. Perhaps you can't recover accidentally deleted or lost messages as they're not in the backup. Maybe you didn't make any backup at all before mass deleting messages like SMS, MMS and iMessage. Without backing up your iPhone deleted messages in iCloud, computer or somewhere else doesn't mean that you can't recover the conversation. Here's how to recover deleted text messages on iPhone without using any backup and also get back the attachments like photos, videos, audios, and other information. There are mainly two ways to recover deleted iPhone messages without backup. Your first option is to use an iPhone messages recovery tool. Without needing any backup, it scans your iPhone directly to search for your messages deleted or lost recently or months or years ago along with the attachments sent with the texts. After that, you can preview each deleted message conversation, select what you need and hit recover button to recover iPhone deleted messages that you've not backed up in iCloud or computer. Aside from the messages sent through your iPhone Messages app, this software can also recover the text deleted from WhatsApp and get back other data like contacts, photos, videos, call history, notes, and more when you don't have a backup of them. One more benefit is that, if you're just not sure if the backup contains your deleted or lost message conversation, or just don't factory reset the device to restore from backup, this program helps scan the iCloud or iTunes backup, list the files covered in the backup files and enable you to get only deleted texts back. Guys, this is so nice. Okay, without further ado, let's see how it works to get your deleted messages back on an iPhone without backup. Use the download link in the description below to get the tool, or you can go to appgeeker.com, click Products, choose iOS Data Recovery for Windows or for macOS, then download it. Got it? Okay, fire it up. To the left, the Recover from iOS Device mode is what you need to recover deleted messages without iPhone being backed up. Just click it. Then, plug your iPhone to the computer. This is the same whether you're using iPhone 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, or newer models. Then, click Start Scan button. Now, you can see it's scanning all your text messages and attachments. During the searching, click Encrypted Scan button, enter the passcode on your phone and then hit the Continue button if asked. When scanning is done, click Messages in the left sidebar. What you'll see in the right are the deleted and existing messages that can be recovered back to your iPhone. To the rightmost screen, you can preview the details of each conversation. The sent or received texts, photos, videos, audios, emoji, documents, links, and so on. You can switch to Messages Attachments on the left to view the attachments only. Next, select what you need to recover. You can tick the box next to Messages and Messages Attachments to recover all of your texts. You're also allowed to get back only the ones you need. Just uncheck the box and highlight what you need. When you're happy with the selection, click Recover button. The recovered text messages will be saved on your computer, so select a folder to keep them. Then, hit the Recover button again. The recovery process should be done within seconds. In the opening window, the recovered conversations will be saved in a HTML or CSV file in Messages folder, and the attachments will be stored in the Messages Attachments folder. Want to check if deleted messages are backed up in your previous computer backup? It's easy. Click Recover from iTunes Backup File, select the backup with the date earlier than you deleted or lost the data, and hit Start button. Hit Messages and see if your deleted or lost text conversations are there. If they are, just select the Recover button to get them back. Alright. What to do if you don't have a computer? Can you get back deleted messages on iPhone without backup or using a computer? You can, but it depends on if you have enabled messages in your iCloud account. To check it out, go to Settings app. Tap your name, tap iCloud. See if Messages toggle is on. If it is, your iPhone messages have been synced to iCloud's server. Chances are that the ones you've deleted are still there. With this you can directly download them back to your iPhone. To do that, turn it off and choose Disable and Download Messages. Wait a few seconds, go back to Messages app and all your deleted messages should come back with everything there before the deletion happens. If it doesn't work for you, just go back to option 1. That's the end of this video. If you have any question about how to retrieve deleted text messages on iPhone without a backup, feel free to comment below and we'll reply you ASAP. If you finally get back the texts, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and also let us know in the comments. Subscribe to AppGeeker's channel and see you guys in the next video.